When you spoke about how not everyone has the proximity just because of where they are located, that also kind of ties into the next thing. Like, what's as far as like whose responsibility is it to figure out? Because sometimes you've got situations where it's like, okay, who's going to do what? This is a new situation, at least for that community or that group. Like, what was a theme that popped out for that for you?
I mean, it's the adult's responsibility. And it's not the adult's responsibility to fix the kid. It's the adult's responsibility to dig beneath the behavior to figure out what's the need, or maybe there's a developmental gap. Like they're not doing it because they simply don't have the skills to do it. And there were a couple, I remember Johnny Gessenhues, who he's an elementary school principal. And he talked about when he first got into education, he just kind of assumed that every kid had the same background he did, where he was supported and he had the tools that he needed at home. And he realized they don't. And he was one of the ones who said, it's our responsibilities as educators, as adults, to get the kid what they need. So once he got in proximity to kids who were different, it changed his outlook. And I think, like, not only is our responsibility to help meet the need, but we also need to stay in the game. And I loved Dr. Duana when I asked her, where do adults get it wrong? And she didn't miss a beat. And she said, they give up too soon. For a kid, she works with a lot of kids who've experienced trauma. And she said, sometimes it takes years before you'll see much fruit. But just stay in the game, keep connecting with them, don't give up. And I think sometimes as the adults, I know we do. I do give up too soon.
It's funny you mentioned Johnny and his team at the school, and one of the things that sticks out for me memory-wise is them talking about the bocce ball
Yes.
team and how they tore up this really nice-looking grass for the bocce ball. The awareness of the people making the decisions saying, okay, what's our goal? Our goal is to serve the kids. So like this grass looks nice, but the grass doesn't serve the goal. The bocce ball is going to serve the goal more than the grass. So
Right.
see you later, grass. So like
Right.
it's like, what's the goal? Okay, what's important, what's not important, and they went after the goal.
Chris isn't that important, but creating sports teams where kids who don't get the opportunity to play on a sports team get to play, that's way more important than grass. Yeah, I've actually gotten to go up there for bocce ball before, and it's great for all the kids, not just kids with disabilities.